Morning guys, how you doing today? Today I'm going to be doing a quick video on how to fix something on the car. 2009 E63 AMG, and it has the panoramic sunroof option. Last night I was on my way home, and I'm gonna turn the car on real quick. As you can see, I'm gonna try to close the roof. Hear that sound? Okay, I don't want to do it too much, but you get the gist. Okay, and now the tools you're gonna be needed to fix this job is an impact gun and a heavy hammer. Those are what you're gonna be needed to do this job. And just plain. You're gonna need a T25 torque bit. As a T25, well, I don't know what tool you're gonna be using, but I have a T25 that I put into here. A T25 torque bit, and you're gonna need this washer right here. I'll get to that part later. Okay, now to the back of the mirror, you're gonna have all these plastic pieces right here. A lot of people would like to use, I have a little shortcut, okay? I have a little shortcut how I get to it. The thing is, like, a lot of people, this piece right here, it pops off. This piece pops off, and then you're gonna have this other plastic piece right here. This is a two-piece, so don't mind with that other one. This is gonna come down like that. Gonna move the mirror down a little bit just to get this thing off and out of your way. Okay, see that piece? Then now you're gonna have, oh, hold on. Now on the inside of this this light right here, there are actually two little pieces in here. You can feel them. They press in. Like how I hear a lot of Europeans say they depress in. That's how you get this piece out. This the light surroundings out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the camera down real quick, and then I'm gonna show you that in live. Oh, let me see if I can get you over here. All right. Now these two tabs sit right on the inside over here. 1 and 2, and you push them in, and then that releases the whole light housing. The SOS button is supposed to come off as well too. It's the SOS button. And once that's loose, it should come down. But you have the mirror in the way. So the mirror, you have to hold on the mirror and pop it out, and then the whole thing comes down like that. It's not supposed to really come down like that, but you get the gist. What really holds the mirror on the inside is just two little tabs on the inside. Later on we're gonna get to that. Have the whole assembly out of the way. Your culprit is this right here. As you can see right there, there's a little rubber grommet on top of it. The reason why the roof is making that noise is because this motor is not connecting. It's not being held on properly to the cog that moves the motor back and forth. Okay, so you're gonna need to take that out. Okay, now I got the piece down and out. This is a culprit right here. So you put that washer over it, and then you put it back into that same hole that you just took it out. I already put the washer on and put the bolt the bolt back in. Now I'm going to test it. Okay. Nice. so you don't hear that sound anymore. Now, when you're gonna put the mirror back up, all right, if you're looking on the mirror, you're gonna see these two little like these two little ends right here, right? Make sure when you put the mirror back up, it goes back into this spot right here. Okay, so you put one end of the mirror in, like up like that, one half over, and then right here on this other end. Oop, trying to see if I can see it. Okay, you see that little shiny bit? You see where my finger is? That piece, you need a screwdriver just to like push on it, because this thing is spring loaded. So you just need to push on it a little bit and it pops back in. All right, so okay, so now I have it all put back together. These plastic pieces on the inside here, they're a little bit fiddly to get back in, like especially like this piece right here. That one was a pain in the ass. They don't break or anything like that, it's just fiddly. You just gotta fiddle with it a little bit. Now we got the sunshade going back again now. There you go. So I hope I'll get the better lighting. I hope that my video helps someone, you know, because I know if you take this thing to the dealership, they're gonna bend you over. They're gonna take, you know what, the first thing they're gonna tell you, oh, it's maybe what, $150, $175, depends on the area wherever you live. They're gonna charge you just to look at it. Then they're gonna tell you, oh, it needs a new motor, and then it's gonna turn out into a $2,000 job. Yep. So anyway, you guys have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day, night, whenever this video gets to you, and see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe to my videos. I'm gonna be, you know, working on more content. I actually have a lot of stuff that I need to be doing. So yeah, all right, subscribe, hit me up, you know, bad comments, good comments, like, thumbs up, thumbs down, no problem. All right, take it easy. All right, bye-bye.